Hi students, Assessment March 2024 Model Paper, Subject Second Language English, Class 5, Marks 40, Time 2 hours. Answers are available. First question. Where are you going tomorrow? Dash. Fill in the blank with the correct punctuation mark. Answer is C. Question mark. Where are you going tomorrow? Second one. A cat. Dash. Fill in the blank with the correct sound. Options are there, four options: meows, bleats, barks, moves. Answer is A. Mews. Third one, my uncle and dash came to our house. The suitable other gender of the underlined word to be filled in a blank is. Options are there. Answer is C. Aunt. My uncle and aunt came to our house. Fourth one, RDGANE. Rearrange the jumbled letters to get a meaningful word from the given options. Answer is D. Garden. 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 Fifth question, the plural form of clock is. Answer is A. Clocks. Sixth question, Narendra visited different places in India. The underlined word is A. Answer is B. Noun. Seventh one, the cat is sitting dash the table. The correct word to be filled in the blank is. Options are there, four options. Answer is D. Under. The cat is sitting under the table. Question number 8. Rohit. Yes, what she said is true. The opposite of the underlined word is. Answer is B. False. Ninth question. The king dash see an old woman planting mango sapling. The correct past form of the verb given in the bracket is. Answer is A. Saw. Question number 10. This is a dash mountain. Fill in the blank with suitable adjective. Answer is B. Huge. This is a huge mountain. Question number 11. Solve the riddle. Give me food, I will live. Give me water, I will die. Answer is fire. 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 Question number 12. Write a suitable rhyming word for the given word. Example, cat, rat, big, pig. Question number 13. Peter went to the store. Peter took a box. Rewrite the sentences using the suitable pronoun for the underlined word. Answer is Peter went to the store. He took a box. Question number 14. Read the given rhyme. Soft kitty, warm kitty, little ball of fur. Happy kitty, sleepy kitty, purr, purr. Identify the word that is repeated the most. Answer is kitty. Third main 15th question. Write any 4 words related to the given word. Forest, trees, animals, plants, birds. Question number 16. Make 4 words from the given word and write them. UNDERSTAND, 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 and rest, and many more other words are there. TEAT. Question number 17. Frame sentences of your own using the given words. Table. A cat is sitting on the table. Bicycle. I like to ride on bicycle. Question number 18. Solve the crossword puzzle. Down. First one. We study in a school. We study in a school. SCHOOL. Second one. Children like to fly this. Answer is KITE, kite. Across. Third one. We use it to write. BOOK, book. Fourth one. The number that comes after 9 is 10. Fourth main. Question number 19. Draw the picture of a toy, color it, and write 2 to 3 sentences about it. I draw the picture of doll. I like my doll. My doll is very beautiful. I stitch my doll's clothes. My doll have hair. Question number 20. Read the poem and answer the following questions in a sentence each. We are the signals you find on roads. Red says stop. Green says go. Yellow says wait. Even if you are late. A. Where do we find the signals? Answer. We find the signals on road. B. How many colors are mentioned in the poem? Answer. 3 colors are mentioned in the poem. C. According to you, what will happen if there are no signals? Answer. If there are no signals, many accidents happen and many people die in accidents. Fifth main 21 question. Write a meaningful story with the help of the pictures and clues given. River, drowning, ant, pigeon, threw, a leaf, hunter, aiming at a pigeon, ant, bit, bite, missed, flew away, thanked. Answer is once upon a time an ant was drowning in a river. A pigeon saw it and threw a leaf at the ant. The ant was saved and thanked to the pigeon for helping it. Then they both became friends. One day an ant saw a hunter aiming at the pigeon. It bit the hunter's ankle, so the missed the aim. The pigeon flew away and thanked to the ant for saving its life. Question number 22. Read the given passage and answer the following questions in a phrase or sentence each. Dhruti had a new kitten named Smokey. Smokey was white and fluffy. Dhruti got Smokey and a small ball as a gift from her father. When she rolled the ball across the floor, Smokey would run after it, pick it up in its mouth, and bring it back to her. Dhruti liked Smokey very much. What was the name of the kitten? Answer is the name of the kitten was Smokey. B. Who had a new kitten? Answer. Dhruti had a new kitten. C. How was the kitten? Answer is the kitten was white and fluffy. D. Give a suitable title to the passage. Answer is Dhruti and Kitten. Question number 23. Write 4 to 5 sentences you like about your school. Answer is in my school, my teachers are kind and lovable, so I like my school. In my school, toilets are clean, so I like my school. In my school, co-curricular activities are done, so I like my school. Syllabus cover very good in my school, so I like my school. My friends are good, so I like my school.